Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to translate your Squarespace website into multiple languages step by step. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you don't have a Squarespace website yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on squarespace.com. Afterwards, you just have to open your website in your Squarespace website editor. Now the interface of your website is going to look something like this. Over here, when you click on the option of the add block, you will see all of the elements that you can basically add inside your website. So here in the search bar, when you search for the term translator, you won't be able to find any of the blocks over here in this section. So the thing is that Squarespace doesn't have a built-in translator block, so you can't actually just find it over here. So in order to make your website multilingual, you will need to use a third-party widget website. The easiest and the cleanest option that I can suggest you is this website, which is called elfsite. So here you need to come on the elfsite.com and create your free account. So over here, when you are inside in the catalog home section, you just have to simply use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to simply type translator. When you search for translator in the search bar, you will find this particular widget over here, which is called website translator. So this is exactly what we are looking for. Simply click on this particular widget. Then it is going to ask you to choose a template for the website translator widget. So here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different tabs available in the left hand side. So here you can choose any of the templates that you want. You can click on any one of these and you can just take a look at the preview over here in the right hand side. So let's say I want to continue with this particular template over here. So I'm going to click on the option of continue with this template. Now here, by default, it is going to show you two languages here. We have English and Spanish. In order to add more languages, click on the option of add language. Afterwards, you just have to search for the languages which you want to basically add in this particular drop down menu. So let's say apart from English and Spanish, I want to add Arabic language. Then we have the option of adding the another language. Let's say I've added Danish. So you can add as many languages as you want. So after adding the languages, you just have to simply click on the option of publish on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now it will ask, in order to use the website translator, you can just simply subscribe with any of the plans. But among the given options, I want you to just simply click on the option of select underneath 0. After doing this, it is going to show you this type of HTML code in front of you. So here click on the option of copy code. After copying this particular code, now you need to embed this particular code on top of your website. So over here, when you are on the website's page, you just have to basically look for the option of the section. So here we have the header, but you just have to select your main section over here. After selecting your main section, you simply click on the option of the add block. So here, after selecting the option of adding the block, what you need to do is you need to simply search for the HTML block. So over here, click on the option of add block, then here search for HTML. Now you can also look for the option of embed, it also the same. So after double clicking on it, simply select the option of code snippet, then select the option of embed data. Now in this particular section, you need to embed that particular code which you have just copied from elf site. Afterwards, click on the option of back. Then this particular preview is not available on top of your website. It will only be saved when you save it and when you open it on the website. So here, when you are done adding your embedded code, simply click on the option of save on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, in order to test it, you just have to reload your website, and on the top right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see the translator floating in the corner. So you can click on it, and then you can just simply select the languages, and that's it. And that's how you will have a multilingual Squarespace website. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.